Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Netflix account without payment method or debit or credit card. So guys, if you want to create Netflix account without payment method, here I will show you how can you do this or whether you can do this or not. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply open netflix.com on any browser and then enter your email address. So guys, enter your email address and then tap on get started, and here you can see this, the link has been sent to your email address. You have to simply go to your inbox. So guys, search for your inbox here and open your mailbox, and here you can see this, a link has been sent through the Netflix. You have to simply tap on finish signing up from here, and then tap on finish sign up, and here you have to simply choose your plan, tap on next button, and here you can see this, you have to simply choose any plan from here. So guys, you can see the plans and you can see the prices of the plans. So guys, you can see this. So guys, there are plenty of plans, you can select any one, and from here you can select the cheapest one as well. And now you have to tap on next button, and from here you can see it asks for the debit or credit card or the payment method. So I simply tap on this, and from here you have to simply enter your debit or credit card details to create your account from here on Netflix. So guys, basically there is no way to create your Netflix account without payment or debit or credit card or without any payment method. So guys, basically you have to simply give her your debit or credit card details or your payment method to create your Netflix account. So guys, one time you have to enter your details, and after this your account will be created. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.